Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, ipapakita ko sa inyo another tips and tricks on the way to win easily. But before you watch this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell below to get updates for my latest videos. So let's start.
Drop it.
The first thing we move is here. In this movement, it is the most common that we have, that I have teach you before. So this is the first move. Okay, so at this time, uh, my enemy goes in this area. So this just happened in real life. Yeah. Next move is in this area. So as usual, I have teach you before that it is the second move. Next is the enemy go in this area. Then, as my opening movement goes, I go right here to form a arrow head and an arrow tail. So an arrow. Then my enemies goes here. My enemy goes here. Okay. So there's no way I can destroy this formation because if I go here, then if he bounce back, for example, I cannot go right there because uh, he will eat twice. Okay. So I will not destroy this arrow head here. I mean arrow tail. Okay. So instead I go here. As usual, this is my third first, second, third, fourth movement. As usual, this is my fourth movement in the one that I have told you. So just follow that formation. Then the enemies goes right here. The enemy. Okay, so I eat up, then he bounce back. Then the fifth move is this chip right here, or this piece right here to go here. Okay, so this time the enemy goes here. So as you can see, we are forming a arrow tail and a arrow head. If this one will be get out of this area, then we can uh, become a king, or we will have a king or Dama. We can go to the Dama or the side of the enemy. Okay, so I will show you now how to do this. So as the enemy goes here, we need to go here. Okay, so the enemy eat up, then I will bounce back. So we will bounce back here so that if ever what happened, we can let it eat up here, then bounce back, and then we gonna punch here, and 1 2 3. Okay, then the enemy goes here. If we go here, then the enemy will eat twice. Instead, the thing we need to do is just to let this one eat up so that no more chip here, and then we will let it eat up again. Then we bounce back and he bounced back, and this time, ta-da! What a nice movement. There's no way that this enemy can defeat our game. Okay, so in the other hand, if the enemy goes right here, if not this one, then we can always do that again and again. Okay, up, 1 2 3. All right, so now we win. If he goes there to kill your uh, this king, so just go here. What a nice movement. Okay, so that's all for this video. For the next video, I will teach you again another tips and tricks with the same opening that I have in this video, or and as usual that I have told you. So guys, that's all. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you like the video, and I hope you will learn so much from my video, and you can do it in your game against any human, okay, any person that you will face. Thank you very much guys. See you next video.